Uh, Good morning, everybody. So my name is Simon Eslen. So basically, I am doing this thing to show you my strategy, what I look for. Basically, these are things I look for to cash every day when I open a chart. This is what I look for. Number one, I look for a sweep, a break of structure, a break of structure, a liquidity, sorry, social liquidity, and my POI, which is my feed order block, and where is price coming. So this is what I'm looking for. And where is price coming from? These are the four things. These are the five things which I look out every day when I open my charts. So simply it's like this. This is how the pattern is. Just like this. You want to see something like this: a sweep, a break of structure, structural liquidity, and you come here and which I want to mark this is my POI. Yeah, this is my POI. My points of in POI simply means points of interest. So here is my sweep. Here's my sweep, and here is my break of structure, and here is also my break of structure. Here you can see. So what I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for price to come here, sweep my liquidity, structural liquidity, and push to the upside. Push to the upside. That's it. So let me mark my social. This is my social liquidity here. So these are the things that I look forward for. So these are the things I look out for. Basically, these are the things I look out for. These are the things I look out for. This is the way. The one thing I like about this strategy, that the strategy always gives us where to put our stop loss. So we target 1 to 2.5, 1 to 2.5. That's it. So the market always gives us where to put our stop loss. So that's just it. So let me just show you in a live. So this trade is on GUJPY, GBP USD. So what we look out for. So let me just post my trade scenario like I told you people before. Is and keep it simple. I put it somewhere below this level here. This below the level there. Level there. This you want to see your sweep, break of structural liquidity. Mark your POI and where price is coming from. Things you'll be looking out for. Just put it here so you can see them. So the moment we got our sweep, then we got our break of structure, which is here. This is our break of structure. Then we got our structural liquidity. This is our structural liquidity, and we mark our POI. POI is this level here. Sorry. This is our social liquidity. Yeah, social liquidity. So we mark the entire low there. This is a field order block. So this is our social liquidity. So we mark this lower high, this high as where we put our stop loss. So now, and the social liquidity broke structure also. You want to make sure your product liquidity break structure there. So you see this is it. So now put our stop loss, our entry here. Suppose in that low, in that high, then we target. So that's what it is. So that's what it is. So let's see what price. So now what we look at is where price is coming from. So we'll go to the 1 daily time frame, and this is what I look out for. What's the daily time frame? So now for you know in the time frame, you can see this is the recent high. This is like the recent swing structure. Price also sweep liquidity here, change from downtrend and go to the uptrend. So this is like a counter trade, simply mean that this is like a retracement. So simply by this trade is like in a premium zone, so this trade is valid. So price may be, so we want to be selling when price is in the premium zone, and we want to be buying when price is in the premium zone. That's just the basic things about that thing. So we have to know which one is the discount and the premium zone. So now this upside, which is the zero, is our premium zone. So we want to be selling at this zone, and when we got to the 1% of the Fibonacci retracement, we want to be buying at this zone, because this is the discount zone. We want to be buying here. We want to focus on buy into that consigned buy. I want to be buying here. We want to be selling. Just want to be selling. So that's just it. So now we know that this is an area to focus on sales. So now we know where price is coming from. Now we got our criteria. So now let's see what price did. You can see price went in and trigger. Price went in and trigger our take profit. So simply we want this trade. You can see, just keep it very simple. Just follow those steps, and that's those all. So let me check another pair, show you another pair. So let's check AUD USD. So like I said before, what we'll be looking for is simple. Firstly, if we mark our sweep, and after our sweep we want to mark our break of structure. After the sweep, what the price broke structure. Then after breaking our structure, then price gives us a structural liquidity, and after price gives structural liquidity, then what the price did, price now broke another structure again, telling us that okay, now this trade is focusing on the downside. So now we mark our POI. So mark our POI below this week. That's our POI. And you know, this is our where like price break, which triggers that okay, this move is invalid. So now we got everything. Now we mark our sweep, break of structure, structural liquidity, and we know where we'll put our stop loss, you know. So now let's go. Where is price coming from? So basically we are looking for a setup on 4 hours. Now we go to the 1 hour to know where price is coming from. And you can see from here, this is a break of structure to the upside. After the break of structure to the upside, price now broke another structure again, continue the up move. Then what happened here? Price broke structure, but price break our low, creating a market structure shift. After creating a market structure shift, price now continue the upside move. Let's see, continue the upside move. So now let's use our Fibonacci to mark the low, because this is the uptrend, the low to the high point. So now where is price now? Whether is price in the discount or price in the premium zone? Now we can see here price is in the premium zone. So now we are focusing, because I told you before, if price is in the premium zone, we focus on sales. If price in the discount zone, we focus on buys. Very, very important. If price in the, I say it again, I go again. If price is in a premium, we focus on sales. If price is in a discount, we focus on buy. That's just the cash there. So now you can see that price is in the premium zone, so we focus on sales. Very important. So that's why this trade is valid, and we know where price is coming from. So now we have to take our trade. So we should take our short position here, put it here, put our stop loss below at that point, and we target. So let's see how price did. Price took us in, price go, and boom, price hits our take profit. You see, price hit our take profit. That's a nice trade to take. It's a nice trade to take. So that's just everything you just need to know. everything you just need to know. So I just want you, so this is everything that I use. These are my confidence that I must see before I take my trade. So don't worry, we're posting more videos on my channel. So don't worry, post more videos, and I'll keep teaching you more and more ways to catch this kind of setup. Thank you very much for your time. Peace out.